Kasian kabenengkong baka lum sopo Youth Society kala pelong ya ka Shillong Mega Expo 2024 kabala pelong ha Assam Krishti Kendra dhan kiti. Layo ban pli ya ka ni dau MLA kanong Thamai constituency uba Charles Pengrum. Ya ka ni ka Shillong Mega Expo la sedang mentakas ngi ka arpun riu terik bat kankut ha ka kendai terik unai lur 2024. Habakran bekila pathai kubor u president kalum sopo Youth Society uba Angel Bird Maulong uloong ba kajing pelong yakni ka Shillong Mega Expo kalong kum shibenta ban Pynshlur bat ai ban CM yakitu ki ba Seng Samla jong
konsep ni long ni ka Expo ni de ba ikwa ban pasang ka ikiwa kamong kelam si ki Seng Samla juga kami ason penong ni jai program ni pat ni pa ni ban apa ini kalau platform ya ki youth dan ki local products ni display products and notice him minta baka pertiga ya ka hamsinjat kam jam ya sina kan ni jik sedang ni yo highlight itu local entrepreneurs ba produce local products kemudian ni ekspor ke ini ngatai ni install baru badan jan marketing ila don ki store ba display ki local products jadi ya kajing tujungi no ikan ni kata hi bangin encourage hai ki local products island ki dia jamajo ni wa alat kamai je ko
ki stalls ki bawah ki puri ki bawah namanya kita ki punya tema ki handicrafts ki itu dan ki ba na Garo Hills William Nagar ta na Jente Hills ki ba Shillong ta kita mau seram di sini kindan kin bendang sawan kenika Expo minta niat kumba kadar sini karena sedang sini dan kot adu lighter bulan September tol skibang itu minta kemudian kumba live pong adu live pesan begini te kumba day pat kini ki handicrafts ini dia bagi ai platform ni rapin mah yo pan display kini ki produk seperti kemudian kumba kadar begini pat kini ki di crafts ki ba warna po ka state of ini kadai ka jing yarap lam jong naka DC han di ka development office ka central government kan di ka BD ni ki handum ki ka development office of the government commissioner of kadai timba jong ki ba ini ki yo pan year yo pan year trelak kan niya laporan
It's a platform for a lot of our weavers and artisans and even those who are experts in handicrafts to give them a chance to promote their wares. Now, today, as you know, the youth need a lot of support, especially to promote their goods, because there is no other source of livelihood for them other than their own, the manufacturing of their own goods through the natural resources that exist in the land. That is why we must promote them, and I'm glad that the Shillong Mega Expo with the Ministry of Textiles has taken this step. I hope this carries on, and I hope in the future they have more expos, more exhibitions, more fairs, so that people can come and buy their goods, and also promote the natural resources of Meghalaya and other states also, so that the natural resources can be used to the fullest, especially in protecting the environment and also being organic. And I'm glad to see many stalls from Jaintia Hills also, and from Garo Hills. And from Shillong also, East Khasis will be coming, and I wish them all the best, and my whole hearted support.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.